What's going on, tech friends? This is the One Tech Bro. So today we're going to be talking about accessories that you must get today. Maybe not today, but we're going to talk about accessories that you must be acquired to have for your iPad Pro or any iPad. Well, the newest iPads that have recently come out. So anyway, we're going to kick it off with the charging, what you're going to be charging your iPad with. So as you guys know, what you get in the box with the iPad, well, the newest iPad, is you get a wall charger with it, but it's not fast enough to charge your tablet, your iPad. So there is a way around it to get more output for the charging source for your iPad. So the first thing is it's called the Belkin Boost Charge Dual USB-C PD GAM wall charger. So as you guys know, the iPads went from the Lightning port to USB-C, which is good. They need to implement that with their devices as well, their iPhones. But we're still waiting for that. But yeah, you're using USB-C now. So this battery charger is essentially one of the USB-C female adapter has 18 watts, and the second one have 50 to 60 watt charging. So it's very, very powerful, this. So you can plug in your tablet and it's going to charge it very, very, very quickly, and that's going to set you back around $42. So I mean, for the price to pay for it, it's not that bad to get your iPad charged very, very quickly. It's not a bad price to pay. Anyway, moving at number 2 is the Apple Pencil. So the Apple Pencil, I'm not talking about the first generation, I'm talking about the second generation, is the best one to buy for your iPad because it's very versatile, especially when you want to do some artwork on your tablet. You can just scribble, do whatever you need to do, handwrite, whatever you need to do, and send it to your family or whatever. But yeah, Apple Pencil is the best way to go. It's got the touch pressure technology in the pen as well, so you can literally hover over something and press and hold and open the app up or whatever like that, and that's going to be setting you back around $94. They're not cheap, it's quite expensive, but I mean, if you're an Apple guy or an Apple girl, then if you want everything Apple based, then this Apple Pencil would be the best one to go for. So coming in at number 3 is the Apple Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro and the iPad Air. So it's basically a case with a built-in keyboard, so you can connect to the iPad via Bluetooth, and you'll be able to use the keyboard on there instead of the keyboard on the actual screen of the iPad. And this is very, very good because you can have it docked in and you can essentially have it like a laptop. So you can have the screen of the tablet straight in your face, and you can have the keyboard here and you can type away or whatever you need to do, and that's going to set you back around $289, which again is very expensive because it's an Apple product. Then coming in at number 4, it's called an Outerbox Defender series case for the Apple iPad. So this is basically a case which is going to protect just the back of the device, not the front, just the back, from any drops or anything like that. It's going to protect it very, very nicely because it's got like a system inside, like a shock resistance technology inside to absorb like drops or anything like that, but that's just to protect the back. And moving in at number 5, we have the Anker Powerline USB-C to Lightning cable, and that cable is specifically for transferring data from the old iPad series with the Lightning port to the new iPad Air and iPad Pro with the USB-C port, so you can transfer your files or anything you want to transfer from the old series to the new series. But yeah, that's nice. Also, the Anker wires, cables are very, very durable. I've got some, I've tested them out, they're very, very durable. So yeah, and Anker are one of my actual favorite brand of wiring when it comes to wiring and and cables and things like that. Anyway, moving on to number 6 is from Logitech. Logitech, big fan of Logitech. I've got a Logitech mouse and keyboard on my setup. Very, very nice. I recommend anyone to get a Logitech peripherals or equipment because they're the best. Anyway, so this Logitech one is just like the Apple keyboard case, but on a more lower budget side. And this one is coming in at $149, so $150. So yeah, it's £200 less than the Apple branded keyboard that you would normally get. If you're not too fussed about brandings or Apple or whatever, then you go for the cheaper option and get this Logitech one. Exactly the same key layout for the keyboard, and it's got a mouse tracking pad, and yeah, it's exactly the same thing, the same functions, but on a lower budget kind of price, a fair price. And then moving in at number 6 is a Peak Design Tech pouch, and this pouch is basically to store your iPad in, so for when you're going traveling or just going around or whatever like that, so you can keep it safe so it doesn't get damaged at all. Just put it in there. It's a carrying case, carry wherever you want, and then that's it, you're good to go. Coming at number 8 is is a charging station, and this one is from a brand called Pataka Air charging case. So you can charge up to, I think, up to 5 devices there. You can charge the iPad, you can charge 2 iPhones, you can charge, it's got the wireless pad as well, so you can charge up you can charge up your iWatch and also your what do you call it, your AirBuds. No, not what does Apple call it? I don't know what it is, but you can charge up your earbuds, your wireless earbuds that you get from Apple, which you put in your ear to listen to music. You can charge up to that on there, and that's going to set you back around $159, which is not too bad considering how much things you can charge on this piece of device. And yeah, it's nice. It's nice, and also it's got enough power to obviously juice up and obviously charge up your devices. And we're coming in at number 9, again following with the Logitech mouse keyboard pad that I told you, keyboard case I told you guys about. We have a Logitech mouse. It's called the Logitech Pebble 1345 wireless mouse. We're coming in at $29, which is not that bad. That's actually quite cheap. So you can have the mouse with the case, with the Logitech case as well. Both of them, you can use that and obviously use the tablet like a laptop basically. So because you got the keyboard and you got the mouse as well from Logitech. So moving on to number 10 is a case from Spigen. They got a nice Spigen rugged armor case for the iPad Mini and the iPad Pro and the iPad Air as well, just to protect the back of the device. And then coming in at number 3 is the the Apple AirPods. Very, very essential. So you're doing editing or anything like that on your iPad and you want to listen to some music on the side and just enjoy your time on your iPad. You can go pick yourself up Apple AirPods, first generation, second generation, or the second model, whichever one you want. Pick that up. It's very essential. You can use that and just have a chill time while you're doing work on your tablet. Then moving on at number 12 is another item from Anker. This is the Anker Power Source Metro 20,000 PD portable charging bank, which is nice. So you can have this on the go wherever you're going, and you can be able to keep your tablet juiced up, which is very nice. Coming in at number 13 is a flash drive from SanDisk. It's called a SanDisk iX Pan flash drive to go. So, and this is, you can get it either for Lightning or USB-C. So you can just plug it into your tablet, get some information from it, and obviously put it into your laptop and offload offload anything you want to offload from your tablet to your laptop or your PC or wherever you need to offload that file to. If you don't have the cables. You can just easy access in and in, and also this has a keychain holder, so you can put on your keychain, and it's more it's more accessible and more easier to take around with you everywhere you go. Coming in at number 14 is a USB hub for the iPad. You guys know there isn't a lot of ports on the iPad, so this will help. You need a cable, which it comes with, plug it into the iPad, and you're gonna get USB 2.0, USB-C, HDMI, and also 3.5 millimeter headphone jack as well, and that hub, so you get a range of ports in one place, literally going into the iPad, which is nice. Moving on to number 15 is Apple Pencil case from Belkin. So it comes with the case and the stand as well, so you can stand the iPad on with the case as well while you use the pencil to obviously operate the tablet. And then for 16 is USB-C cable from pluggable Thunderbolt USB-C cable. So if you want to transfer from the latest iPad to another latest iPad, but you're swapping iPads. Don't know why you do that, but you're swapping iPads. You can literally use that cable to transfer your files, or you can even transfer it to your laptop that has a USB-C connection to it, and yeah, offload your files, PC, everything like that. And coming in at number 17, last but not the least, we have the Apple smart cover for the iPad. So smart cover, they've had this technology since a long time ago, 2015, 16. You put the case in, when you close the actual case, it shuts off the tablet and locks it, which is a very, very nice feature. I don't know how to do it, but it's a nice feature to implement like that. But yeah, it's smart for a reason. It locks, and when you open it, it unlocks the device as well if you don't have a password on the device. But yeah, that's the 17 nice, best, good things for the iPad accessories you can get for the iPad. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, comment down below, tell me what you think about the video, and I will see you in my next one. Without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.